Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm back in Las Vegas and it's time to view more hotels over here. This one is a hotel only. There is no casino. It's a short walk away from the Strip and it is called the Westin. I personally booked the Westin because I was flying in on a Saturday, and anybody that knows Las Vegas knows the rates are very jacked up on the weekends. So I had Marriott Bonvoy points to use, so that's what we're using them for today. I'm going to take a little spin around here and let you see the location. It's very close to the monorail. It's very close to Lake Promenade. It's in walking distance to the Flamingo, the Cromwell. This is the first day of my 2-week trip. I took a cab here from the airport. It cost $29 plus tip. There is on-site parking here as well, and you could always get an Uber or a Lyft if you're looking for transportation. Okay, come join me. I'm going to give you guys a tour of this beautiful property. First impression, I was wowed because it was a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It smelled amazing too. It had Christmas trees. I am here in December. It's a nice time to come to Las Vegas for sure. Check-in was a breeze. They had a room ready for me. This was like about 12 o'clock in the afternoon, so I was kind of expecting to wait, so I was very surprised that I had a room, and they also offered me a 2 o'clock checkout the next day, which was fantastic. The day I checked in too, they were also offering Christmas treats. They had cupcakes and cookies and some sort of like spiked drink. It was a nice treat after our long flight from Connecticut. My husband is joining me on this trip. I usually travel alone, but we're going to do 14 days in Vegas together. Should be fun. We have a lot of great places that we're planning to go explore. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now would be a great time. And thank you all that are subscribed already and watch my videos. You guys rock. A few cute, unique things I want to point out is they had little dog treats here. I thought that was great. And places to refill your water bottle. Anybody that goes to Vegas knows how expensive it is to buy water. So being able to fill your water bottle up is great. We're going to go see the room now. Come join me for the tour. They had the built-in shampoo, conditioner, and body wash that you need a magnifying glass to read. The shower was amazing, though. Fantastic shower. Loved it. This room that I received was a king room. It was plenty big. I don't know if they have suites here. I booked it with my Marriott Bonvoy points, so it was completely complimentary except for a resort fee. From my window of the room, you could see the resort pool. We're going to be going to see that in a little bit. That over there is Bally's in Paris. Bally's is going to be changing to a resort called Horseshoe very soon, within the next couple weeks. So I'm hoping to get over there to film that too. They gave us water at check-in. There's a little coffee maker, and they also gave us coupons for free stuff. They gave us some essential oil. That was really nice. It has like all these little special touches here. They have room service with a really yummy menu. We did not try that though. It took a little bit, but we found the safe. The bed was fabulous, like a cloud. Wonderful linens, super soft. Love the pillows. Really want these for home. They're excellent. Didn't want to get out of bed. Had all the little modern touches as lights by the bed. So important. It had all the different like plugs to plug in your phone and all that good stuff. The pool also here is open later. Problem with Vegas is the pool's closed like 5, 6 o'clock. Even though it's December right now and it's like 50 degrees, maybe even a little less, the pool was open. It was heated. Oh, they have cabanas? I didn't see anybody using the pool during my stay, but I did see some people sitting outside. Hot tub probably would be nice, so it is definitely good hot tub weather this time of year. Have you ever stayed at the Westin on Flamingo before? Let me know in the comments below. There is also another Westin in Las Vegas on a lake. This is not that one. This is the one that's by the Strip. For those of you that are watching that are new to Las Vegas, resort fees are a thing and they are everywhere. It's kind of unavoidable, but they include like the gym and the pools and all that stuff, the internet, the Wi-Fi. This place also gave us coupons for like free drinks, free dessert at the restaurant. I don't know. I thought it was pretty cool that they added some extra value to the resort fee. For some extra pampering, there was a spa and a salon right on site. The place is just beautiful. It kind of like, it didn't feel like Vegas. It didn't feel like a casino. It kind of felt like a really lush airport hotel. I saw a lot of pilots coming in and out of there. Yes, Kelli, we see you. He likes to be photographed, so you're going to see him in a little bit here and there in my videos. And just like that, it's morning. I'm always like early up kind of person. I like to go out early because I could easily get videos without a million people in my way. They have a Starbucks right on site, so that was wonderful. So we went down and got our coffee. They had coffee in the room, but there's a Starbucks on site. When in Vegas, go get the $6 coffee. I think actually Starbucks is $6 everywhere though. But when handed your $6 coffee, you had so many beautiful places to choose to go sit and enjoy it. We're going to actually go for breakfast to the Link Promenade. That is another video though. I'm actually going to be doing videos in different sets this time. I'm going to be doing my typical resort tour reviews like I normally do. And I'm also going to be doing a day-to-day like kind of a vlog video diary of what we did in an entire day. So there's going to be different videos coming out on my channel. This new filmmaking will be a little, newer, obviously, and unfamiliar for me and very scary. But if you don't change, you'll never grow. After walking around the entire lobby, we finally found our little quiet corner that we wanted to go and enjoy our Starbucks coffee. Would I recommend the Westin? Yeah, totally. I couldn't find a thing wrong with it. It was really good. It was really nice. The only thing drawbacks would be, that there is no casino there. Sometimes it's nice if you can't sleep, you could go down and, everything's lively and up, I didn't go down in the middle of the night. I'm not sure how the atmosphere was, but I know like the bar doesn't open till 12, that thing. Casinos, like the bar's open all night. So if you're looking for a party hotel, this isn't it. But if you're looking for a place that smells good, there's no smoking here. It's just really nice. The pool itself, it's beautiful. It's just not large. There's no, lazy river. It's not like the most grandest pool in the world, but it kind of just checked off all the boxes. And you can walk to the Strip, which is really convenient. The 2 p.m. checkout was just divine. We're going now to Fremont Street. We're going to be staying at a place called Main Street Station. I've never been there before. It looks amazing. Like, it's my style. It's very Victorian, very old. I love hotels like that. I love this too, believe me. But the old hotels, they win my heart. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. It was awesome hanging out with you. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just trying to make your vacation planning a little easier for you. Check out my Vegas playlist for more resort tours. Do it. Get your butt to Vegas. Safe travels to you.